In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies from Australia in 3 simple steps. Now please note this video assumes you already have a basic knowledge of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, so I won't be explaining what Bitcoin is or why it's useful. This is solely a how to buy guide. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Sign up to an Australian crypto exchange. To buy crypto, you need to sign up with a crypto exchange. Since you're in Australia, it's better to use an Australian exchange for currency purposes. Today we're going to use Independent Reserve, a trusted Australian crypto exchange founded in 2013. As you can see, I've been using Independent Reserve since 2020, and I'm quite happy with them due to their user-friendly platform. I think it's perfect for beginners. Please note this video is not sponsored by Independent Reserve, but you know me, I did reach out to them to secure a better sign-up bonus for my subscribers. If you sign up using the link or code in the description, you'll receive $25 worth of Bitcoin. This is one of the highest, if not the highest, crypto sign-up bonus in Australia. I personally couldn't find anything higher. And the best part is, you don't even need to make a deposit to qualify for the bonus. Simply sign up, get your account verified, and you'll receive your free Bitcoin. So even if you're just curious about Bitcoin, but not quite ready to invest, but kinda still wanna dip your toes with Bitcoin, this is an easy way to get some for free. However, if you're watching this video, chances are you're probably already considering investing in Bitcoin. If that's the case, let's click on the special link in the description, which will take you to the sign up page. You can create a username which you'll use to log in. Enter your email address and create a new password. I assume for most of you it's for yourself, so let's keep the account type as personal. As you can see, the referral code is already entered for you. If it's not, you can manually enter it. Then once you've read the terms and conditions, tick the box and click next. And on the second page, they'll ask you a few more questions and you'll need to provide a few more personal details. The whole process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Then your application should be approved straight away or within 24 hours. It's as easy as that. Step 2. Funding your account. If you plan to invest more than the free $25 worth of Bitcoin, you'll need to transfer some money into your account. Let's now log into your newly created account. You can use either the desktop version on your computer or the app on your smartphone. Today, I'll show you the desktop version as it's easier to see. Once you log in, click Accounts. This page shows your current portfolio. As you can see, I have $725 in this account and no Bitcoin since I don't keep my crypto on the exchange. I'll talk more about where I store it later in the video. To deposit money into the account, click Quick Deposit. You'll see 4 options. I would avoid credit cards and PayPal since they charge a fee. My favorite option is PayID. It's instant, easy, and free. You could also choose EFT bank transfer, so it's just like transferring money to a friend. But again, I prefer PayID for its speed and convenience. Please note, deposits over $100 are free, but there's a 99-cent processing fee for deposits under $100. There is also a $20,000 daily deposit limit. To use PayID, simply copy the PayID email address on screen. This one is uniquely mine and yours will be different. Then log into your bank app. Choose the Pay Anyone option. Look for an option to enter a mobile, email, or other PayID. Let's select email. Paste the PayID you copied from your account. Your bank should recognize the PayID for Independent Reserve. Enter the amount you want to transfer. I'm transferring $275 to make my balance to an even $1,000 for aesthetic purposes. Click Next and confirm. Although it says instant, just wait a few seconds. And there it is, we saw the balance update in the background. We now have $1,000 to buy some Bitcoin. If you want to learn more about PayID, I'll leave a link down below to an article. It's really easy to use. Step 3. Buying your crypto. Alrighty, now that we have money in the account, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin. Let's click the Trade tab. Here you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to buy. These are all the cryptocurrencies available on this exchange. As you can see, there aren't as many crypto coins as on other exchanges like CoinSpot, which I have covered in another video, which I'll link down below if you're interested. Independent Reserve is more beginner friendly, so they limit the choice to popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. For this example, let's stick with Bitcoin. There are 2 ways to buy: market and limit. Market means you buy Bitcoin at the current best available market price. It's the easier and quicker method of the 2. The last price shown here is around the market price you can buy Bitcoin for. In this box, you enter how many Australian dollars of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can click max to use all available funds, so $1,000. But let's say you only want to buy $500 worth, so let's type in 500. Please note, Independent Reserve charges a flat 0.5% fee for all purchases, so you'll be paying around $2.50 for this transaction. This part confirms approximately how much Bitcoin you're going to get, and this is your total cost. Let's click Preview Buy Order. Double check everything is correct, and once you're happy, click Confirm. And there it is, our order has been filled instantly. We have successfully bought $500 of Bitcoin. Here's a summary of your buy confirmation, and you should also get an email. Let's click the Accounts tab. And there's our Bitcoin, around $500 worth minus fees. If you scroll down, you can see it here as well. It's now part of your portfolio. Now let's go back to trade, and I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin with a limit order. A limit order allows you to choose a specific price at which you want to buy Bitcoin. With market orders, they're automatically purchased at the best available price, but with limit orders, you can set the price you're willing to pay. Now it doesn't guarantee the order will go through, but you can try. Currently, the market price is around 142,000 Australian dollars. Let's say you only want to buy Bitcoin at 140k. You can enter your buy price here like so. then you can either click the max button, which will calculate how much Bitcoin you can buy with your available cash, or you can manually type in exactly how much Bitcoin you want. Let's say you only want 0.002 Bitcoin. Once you type it in, a buy confirmation summary appears below. Again, you'll pay a 0.5% fee. This shows how much Bitcoin you're gonna get, and this is your total cost. Click preview buy order. This is your last chance to check everything is correct. Once you're happy with it, click confirm. Now it's created your limit buy order. As you can see, the order is still open since the market value is higher than your limit buy price. If you scroll down to order history, you'll see it under open orders. That order will stay there until the price comes down and the order gets filled. Then your new Bitcoin will be added to your account like in the previous example. If you change your mind about the order, you can simply click cancel and confirm cancellation. And that order is now cancelled, and as you can see, your available money is back. And that's it. That's how you buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on this platform. I'll now answer a few security related questions, starting with, is Independent Reserve safe to use for Australians? On their website, Independent Reserve promises that security is at the forefront of everything they do. They maintain a 1-for-1 reserve, meaning the exchange holds the same amount of reserves as the value of digital assets it manages. This addresses a serious problem previously faced by many exchanges that underreported their reserves. In a scenario where every single customer wants to withdraw their crypto at the same time, Independent Reserves is committed to making this possible. Additionally, they store most of their crypto assets in secure offline cold storage under maximum security measures. The exchange undergoes regular audits to ensure their books are balanced in accordance with Australian accounting standards. This includes verification of all fiat and crypto balances held in custody on behalf of clients. By the way, fiat means regular money like the Australian dollar or the US dollar. You can review all the other security features they provide on their website. It is quite thorough, and it appears they've implemented comprehensive systems to ensure maximum safety. However, it's important to remember that no cryptocurrency exchange is entirely immune to risks. Please be aware, like anything that involves money, the cryptocurrency space attracts scammers and people attempting to steal your money. The responsibility also falls on you to practice safe online habits, not just with crypto, but with all digital interactions. To increase the security of your crypto assets even further, let's now discuss the best method for storing your cryptocurrency. The safest way to store your crypto is on a cold wallet. There's a popular saying in the crypto community, not your keys, not your coins. If you keep your crypto on an exchange, despite their promises of security, you could lose all your assets if they go bankrupt. This risk applies not just to Independent Reserve, but to every exchange out there. Therefore, if you have a significant amount of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies stored on an exchange, it's best practice to transfer them to a cold wallet. A cold wallet stores your private keys on the device, keeping them offline and encrypted at all times. Since it doesn't connect to the internet, it's virtually impossible for a hacker to steal your coins. You can research the best cold wallets yourself, but the most popular ones are Ledger and Trezor. If you decide to buy one, make sure it's from the official store to ensure that it's legit. I'll leave some links down below. If you don't want to buy a cold wallet, consider hot wallets, which are safer than leaving your crypto on an exchange. I have previously used free options like Trust Wallet and MetaMask, but you should do some research to find the best one for your needs. But please remember, they're not as secure as cold wallets because they're online and use the internet, so there's still a small risk of getting hacked. And quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is not financial advice. While I do believe in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, they remain a highly volatile asset class. I'm not recommending you buy any crypto mentioned in this video. The examples I use are purely educational, aimed at those with a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies and their risks. Please do your own research and invest at your own risk. And if you require financial advice, please go see a professional. By the way, if you're enjoying this video or found it useful, comment the word rocket down below so I know who you are. And if you're new around here, what are you waiting for, mate? Hit the subscribe button and join this awesome community. Also, please consider signing up to my free newsletter, Aussie Money Club, where once a week I'll send you some money tips, major news in the market, or any cool life updates from me. And if you're interested to learn more about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, then check out this video on screen where I provide a beginner's guide on how everything works. And as always, thank you for watching, I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.